try that one. Try that key. That's the one. Try it. I know that's the one.
One key.
No!
Oh, sorry. One key.
No, don't try that one. No, try the gold-colored one.
Shh, Big Bird, please.
Why don't you try the one that had the funny end on it?
Big Bird, you're gonna wake them
This
up.
looks like a job for Super Grover. One more. That's three keys. 4 keys.
Oh, I don't think that. I knew that.
Shh, Big Bird.
Whee! It's fun to be in an upside-down world. There's fish that fall out of the sea. There's upside-down clocks that make everyone late. Upside-down food that won't stay on your plate in an upside-down